Hello and welcome. My name's Fred Weaver. I'm joined by my partner Kevin Kaufman. We're Group 4610, Arizona's premier short sale team. And thank you so much for joining us here today on this video. On this website we have tons of information about the short sale process. Specifically what Kevin and I do as real estate agents and short sale negotiators for our clients, and all of the info you can find about all the hundreds of short sales we've closed at a 90% success rate. But today Kevin has a topic that we just wanted to share with you, just to bring some good value and information to you, and also allow you the opportunity to get to know us a little better.
Yeah, today what I want to talk about is legal advice and how that pertains and works, if you will, in the short sale side of things. And one of the things that Fred and I have to do as real estate professionals, people who are licensed by the state, is advise you to seek legal advice if there are legal type of questions that you have, because we're not qualified, we're not attorneys, we're not licensed by the bar to give legal advice. And so one of the things that we have to do, especially in the short sale world, where you've got different implications like taxes, possible deficiencies, things like that, when you're talking about short sales and foreclosures, we have to advise our clients to go seek legal advice, because there's only so much we can share. Even though we are experts in this field, we're experts in the short sale field, we're experts in real estate, and we can advise you all day long on it and feel comfortable about that, there's certain things that from a legal perspective we cannot give to you. And so one of the things that we have to do is advise you to go seek that advice from a qualified real estate attorney, let me say it that way. And unfortunately what we see happen often is, instead of going to a qualified real estate attorney, we'll have some clients or prospective clients go seek advice from their bankruptcy attorney, or from their accountant on the legal perspective, or from just maybe just a general attorney. Maybe people think that because someone's an attorney, they have the authority and know the knowledge and know-how for real estate law, and it's completely different.
Well, I think the heart of the matter and what you're trying to get to is simply this. It's important to know that when it comes to short sales and purchase contracts and transactions that involve lenders, we're your experts. When it comes to legal questions about your potential deficiency rights and things like that, sure, go seek an attorney out for that counsel, but be very careful if that attorney starts crossing the line and giving you real estate advice. We're never going to cross the line and give you legal advice. We're not going to tell you, well, this is absolutely the case, I will put my money on it. That's just not our position, and we won't do it. So it's important you find qualified people that are out there, and we do have a few people that we can refer you to. But I'm going to tell you also that an attorney's job is to consult you from a legal perspective, and they're always thinking worst case scenario. And when you work with somebody like that, it's okay. Just understand that's where they're coming from.
Yeah.
But make sure they explain to you what the worst case scenario is at foreclosure, if you're facing an option between foreclosure and short sale. Don't just ask about the worst case scenario for short sales, because if you look at it on the surface, there are some implications for a short sale. But when you compare it to the implications of a foreclosure, there are much worse implications on a foreclosure than a short sale, from a general standpoint. So let's just leave it at that for today. We'd love to talk to you more about short sales. If you have legal questions or deficiency questions or tax questions, let us know. We'll answer what we have the right to and what's in our professional scope of working relationship, and what we don't, we'll refer you out to people that can help you in that area. So thanks so much for joining us here today. We encourage you to fill out the form here on our website, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.
Thanks so much.